Kayla, turn the damn light off, please. I said please this time. Love you too. Kayla.
I am working on it.
I promised my mom we was gonna go to sleep. That didn't turn out very well though. Kayla.
Shut the fuck up!
Come on. I can't wait till the Halloween party tomorrow. I'm staring right at the Pretty Little Liars TV poster. Kayla, please turn it off.
Swear to God, I'm gonna fucking punch you in the face. You shut the fuck up. I am
Come on.
working on it. I'll get there when I get there.
Funny.
God.
Come on, Kayla. You're only 3 years older than me.
Am I?
What? What is it, Kayla? My darling dear.
Robert 15. God damn it.
My camera really makes him look younger. Damn. Makes his face look a lot smaller. Kayla, hurry up. Kayla. Come on, you don't have to breathe like that. Kayla, hurry up. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Just get up.
I am not a fucking baby.
God, you can really hear the wind outside.
Huh?
You can really hear that wind outside. Kayla, hurry it up. Come on. One foot after the other. You notice how I'm talking to you like you're a baby learning how to walk? It's hard to stop laughing. Come on, Kayla. Get up.
You can just fucking wait.
But why, honey?
Don't even fucking try. Whoa, that's disgusting.
What is?
Your face.
You suck. Who's your favorite member in One Direction?
Carlos.
I said One Direction.
Carlos.
Carlos.
Who do you think?
I don't know, Harry?
Yeah. baby.
Going cute-wise, yeah, he's not the one I'd pick. I'm sorry, but I'm just not digging his hair. I really hate it.
He has the perfect teeth and the perfect eye.
Well, I give him that, but I do not like his hair.
Is it just that poof on the side? It's
No,
just that poof on the side.
it's how it goes so high.
He has curly hair.
I know, just like me, but still.
It's like me, but but mine is worse.
Yeah. Isn't that funny? Anyway, Kayla, come on, turn off the light. Turn off the light and turn the TV on. Turn off the light and turn the TV on. Come on.
I have a feeling Robert's gonna follow me tonight, but
I have a feeling I'm about to come down there and whip you. Hey, is Sam in here?
Sam. Nope.
Damn it, you let him outside. Fuck. I'm not sleeping in here by myself. Oh, I'm sorry. Are you still in here? Yeah. Please don't break the phone.
Huh?
I said I was praying that my phone wouldn't break when I drop it.
Oh my god! I told you I was dropping it.
Okay, calm down. Hopefully it won't break my neck. Okay, break your neck, break your neck, break your neck. Shut up, Kayla. Okay, my phone is so awful right now.
Shut up.
Oh, shut up. Hamburg did him. Hopefully Sierra's not up. Dad? Okay. Is Sam with Mom? Is Sam with Mom?
Where's Mom?
Or I said, where is Sam?
You don't know?
I don't know.
I don't know.
He might be outside.
Open the door.
Yeah, his mom's in
He's not with Mom. I thought he was with you. I don't know where the freaking dog is.
there. What? Oh, so you lied to me. That's how you are.
He was in here. Go to sleep.
No, Sierra, Minnie's just here really
We're
tired.
going to bed.
See, this is what happens. Go.
Sierra, we're going
No.
to bed.
I said give you a hug.
Give
Okay.
me a hug,
All right. Good night.
Good night, everybody.
So I'll go to sleep now.
Kill. We've got. I don't know. Okay,
I thought Sam.
Is he in here? Yes, he's in here. There's my baby.
I didn't know he was in here.
Yeah, maybe search the damn house when I warned my dad. You deserve the punishment bar.
Do that one on my hair.
Really? Oh my god, it's so fun. I love it. Oh crap, I'm just gonna watch this. It's like 9 minutes.